question number 1 says 2014 there were 223,745,310 children in Texas who were 9 years old. Which of the following is less than 223,745,300? So they want us to compare our answer choices to this number. First thing, oh, I don't have enough spaces on my. Let me one more. Okay. There, now we have enough spaces. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up that first number, the one they want me to compare everything to, in our place value chart. That number was 223 million. So 223, comma, 745, comma, 310. 310. Okay, that's the number I'm comparing to. And I want to find something that is less than this. So I'm going to start by checking my answer choices and see what answer choice is less. Start with answer choice A. Put that into my place value chart. 223, comma, 726, just 726, comma, 270. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use just a square to block out the parts I don't want to look. If I look at my biggest place values, I have 223 and 223. Both numbers are the same. I can't see any differences. Move over. 245. Sorry, 745, 7, 6. So if I look there, I can see that this number is smaller. If I look back at my question, they asked me which one is less than my number. Well, I know that 745 more 706 means that answer choice A is smaller than looking for. So I know that answer choice A is smaller. Answer choice A should have been my answer. Now really quickly, I am going to go ahead and put the other numbers in here. That way we can see if we picked one of the answer choices, B, C, or D, we can see how did we get confused or where did we miss. Where down. I'll put answer choice B there really quick. 227, 994, 115. All right. If I start with my biggest place values again, 223 and 227. Right from the beginning, 227, 227 is more 223. So I can't pick answer choice B. I don't even have to move and check the other place values. Just with the big place values, that number is bigger. Can't be my answer. Can't be answer choice. Try C. 223. 986. 749. Right, same thing. I'm going to start with my biggest place values. 223 and 2. That's the same number. They're equal. I can't tell any differences. Move over. 745, and 986. I see a difference, and the difference is that answer choice C is bigger than the number. If it's bigger, it can't be my answer choice. It means answer choice C. And if I check answer choice C, 3, 4, 0, 0, 6. Okay. Biggest place value first, 223 versus 334. Again, I don't even have to move over for this one. Just using the biggest place values. 334 is bigger than 223. They wanted a smaller number, not a bigger number, which was not answer choice D. The only number that was smaller was answer choice A. Bella, make sure we're paying attention. We're going over this not for me, baby. Okay, take a look at question 2. The table below shows the number of pounds of each metal produced by a mining company. We have copper, iron, aluminum, and nickel. Which list shows the number of pounds in order from least greatest? They want me to put them in order. They want me to start with least. Means I'm looking for small numbers. Quickly, first clear out my place value chart. Right? And since I have more numbers, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 2 more rows. I have 4 numbers this time. I'm going to put my numbers from my chart. Notice I'm not going to need all of my space here. But if I have more space, it's better than not having enough space. I'm going to start with copper. 1, 507. Comma 948. Then I'm going to start with my next number, iron. 1, 683. Comma 739. Okay. I can start with my next number now, aluminum. 1, 515. Comma 641. And my last number, nickel. 2, 684, 2. Okay, these are my numbers. They want me to go in order from least to greatest. This is a question I specifically wanted to go over with everybody because of one big reason. Most of us that missed question number 2 missed it for one reason. We didn't read our question. We forgot about our question. Because this tells me to go from least to greatest. Smallest, biggest. Looking for the small numbers. So a lot of us that missed it, we looked here, the very first place value, and we saw 1, 1, 1, 2. And instead of looking for the small numbers, we looked for the big number. And we went, oh, 2 is the biggest number. That means that 2 should be in first place. It shouldn't be in first place because I'm not looking for big numbers. I'm looking for small numbers. If I'm having a contest looking for the smallest number, then the 2, it's the biggest, shouldn't be in first place. It should be in fourth. A lot of us that missed this question, we picked the answer choice that had everything in order, but the order was from greatest to least. We went in the opposite order than what they wanted. You have to read the questions carefully because the answers are not always going to be greatest to least. They're not always going to start with the biggest number. Sometimes, like this problem here, wants you to start by looking for least, smallest. No, baby, that's Mrs. Fuller. She's here to help us out. She'll be here 2 days a week, right, Miss Fuller?
Yes, that's the plan.
She'll be here just for a little bit for 2 days a week. It's Tuesday, Thursday, right? Usually?
Right. Since I didn't come before, I just stopped in and make sure everybody's okay.
Yes, that's fine.
For a little bit, and then next week it'll be like a set schedule.
Alrighty. Yeah. So she's just gonna pop in. It's kind of like how we have Miss Busso that shows up sometimes, or Miss Triplet. They'll pop in. They'll help us out for a little bit, and then. All right. But we have to read those questions carefully. If they say least, and I told you guys this, pay attention to the first word they tell you. If they say least first, don't worry about anything else. Just tell yourself small numbers. If they say greatest first, tell yourself you're looking for big numbers. But don't forget that it's not always the bigger number. Sometimes you want the smaller number. So in this case, this 2, since it's the biggest, it gets fourth place. Yes, Christopher?
Can I go to the restroom?
Like I said, sir, you don't have to ask me. Just let me know and you can go. Brianna, make sure you're paying attention. Bella, make sure you're paying attention. Come on, baby. I'm not doing this review for myself. I can pass this test, no problem. If I needed the help, I would ask someone else. I'm doing this to help you. But we know what my fourth place is. What I can do is I can look at my answer choices, and any answer choice that does not have that number that starts with 2 at the end, I can get rid of it. There's only one that doesn't. Answer choice G. So I'm not going to pick that one. For sure, for sure, for sure. But I still need to figure out what is first, second, and what is third place. I'm going to move over one more place value. Just looking at these 3, the ones that I do not know where to put them. I have 507, 683, 515. I'm looking for the smallest number. So if I want the smallest number between 507, 683, 515, the smallest number I can see is 507. If this is my smallest number, that means that this gets first place. I'm going to go back to my answer choices. I need this number in first place. So it should start with 1, 507. I already got rid of answer choice G. I'm not going to bother checking it again. 1, 507. 1, 507. 1, 515. That's not what I'm looking for. So J is out too. So I can only either choose F or H. Now I need to find second place. Again, I'm still looking for small numbers. 683, 515. If I'm looking for small numbers, 515 is the smaller number. So that means this is my second place. I'm going to go back to those two answer choices. My second place should be 1, 515. Already got rid of G, I got rid of J, so I'm just going to check F and H. 1, 683. Not the right number. So I can't pick F. Means my answer should have been alright. Question 3. And let me go ahead and clear my place value chart. I can okay. The weight of 4 small cars are listed below. We have car L, car M, car N, and car P. If the cars are listed in order from least weight to greatest weight. So again, they don't want the biggest first. They say least weight to greatest weight, which means I need to look for which car would be listed second. So 2 things for this problem. Number 1, looking for small numbers, not for big numbers. Number 2, I don't care about the whole list. The one that they are very, very interested in, whichever car comes in second place. I'm going to put my cars into my place value chart. I always go in the order they give me, so I'm going to start with car L. 3, 20. 2, 0. Then car M. 2, 935. Car N. 2, 605. And last one, car P. 2, 938. All right. There's all of my cars. Again, I'm looking for small numbers. I want the smallest car first. 3, 2, 2, 2. I can see that not all of my numbers are the same, so I know there's a difference. My difference is my top number. The only problem is 3 is not a small, bigger number. If 3 is the biggest number that I have, I'm trying to make a list of small numbers. What place will the 3 get? What place on my list should it end up? Should it end up first place, second place, third place, or fourth place? Who can tell me? If the 3 is the biggest number, what place on my list will it end up getting? Bella, what do you think? What place on my list should it get?
Is it 4333?
The 3 gets 4th place. It's the biggest one. But I'm looking for small numbers. So I know my 4th place. But I don't know 1st, I don't know 2nd, I don't know 3rd. Which means I need to check the smaller place value. 935, 605, 938. Out of all those numbers that I have, who can tell me which one gets 1st place? What's my smallest number here? Is it 935, 605, or 938? Ezekiel, which number is the smallest number here?
605.
605. So Ezekiel, what place on my list did this get? 1st, 2nd, or 3rd?
1st.
My 1st place number. Okay, I still need 2nd and 3rd place. I have 935, 938. Who can tell me which is my smaller number? 935 or 938? Jadine, which number is smaller? 935 or 938? 935. So Jadine, should it get 2nd place or 3rd place? Which one does it get, Jadine? 1st place, or sorry, not 1st place, it's already there. But 2nd place or 3rd place? Thank you, Miss Fuller. You're absolutely right. It gets 2nd place. And here is 3rd place. So I know my order. 4th place, 2nd place, 1st place, 3rd place. Let's go back to my answer choice. They wanted 2nd place. I know car L is in 4th place. Car M, 2nd place. So the answer I should have picked was answer choice B. Okay, like I said, we're going to do a little bit each day. So we're going to stop there for today. We'll do some more on Monday.